As Honorable Speaker Pema Junela just shared, as per the Charter, Article 59, we will have a special General Body meeting of Tibetan community leaders from around the world on October 3rd, 4th, and 5th. So the meeting will be held here in Dharamsala, as per the discussion and decision reached by the Kashag and the Executive Committee of the Tibetan Parliament Exile, the theme will be 550 Vision and relationship between Dalai Lamas and Tibetan people. The first theme is because, as you all know, we organize 3 550 Vision related conferences. First one on political matters, where we invited experts and former city staff and leaders from around the world. And then we have many recommendations based on the 550 Vision Political Conference. And the second was on 550 Vision Youth Conference. Again, the youth also made a lot of suggestions and input, which are all compiled. And the third one was on 550 Vision Culture, Health, Education, and Finance related, where again we invite all kinds of experts, and their recommendations are all transcribed and will be made available to the general public fairly soon. So the first theme is 550 Vision, and the second theme is Dalai Lamas and Tibetan people, because Tibet is land of charity or a Buddha of compassion. And we always say charity or the Buddha of compassion and Tibet are inseparable. Similarly, Dalai Lamas and Tibetan people are inseparable. So we owe our gratitude to the Buddha of compassion, and the manifestation of Buddha of compassion are the Dalai Lamas. So we owe our gratitude, our gratefulness to him, for which this meeting will have some discussion. And primarily the special General Body meeting is held to collect or have input from the general public. So the 550 Vision, we had conferences. Now the recommendations and suggestions will be shared with the general public, and their input will be compiled, because ultimately the implementation has to have their agreement and their participation. Similarly, our gratitude to Dalai Lamas is normally, we take it for granted. Now this time, through this special General Body meeting, we will not just take it for granted, but express in different ways. So we want to have public input. So these are the two main themes, and we are looking forward to having this special General Body meeting in October. So that's the main announcement we want to make. Thank you very much.